Hey there guys, sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been working 16-hour shifts for the past 2 weeks, but I'm back to my 8-hour shifts. But anyway, I'll be picking a Ace padlock, solid brass, weather resistant, double locking, high security at the bottom. It says 5-pin, and this is the key for it. And this is the third attempt video. The first 2 videos was a fail. This little lock kicked my butt. It's got security pins in it. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, I have a very deep fault set, if you can see that. Okay, pin 1 is giving feedback. I think so. Yep, pin 1. And there we go. That was very easy. I was giving very light tension, but there we go. Thanks for watching.